In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage your customer notifications on Shopify, specifically focusing on how to access and view your order confirmation notifications. If you're running an online store through Shopify, you know that keeping your customers informed through reliable notifications is key to enhancing their shopping experience and maintaining transparency. Now, let's delve right into the steps to access this feature on your Shopify dashboard. First, we begin by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. This is the central hub for all your store operations, so getting familiar with navigating it is beneficial for efficiently managing your store. Once you're there, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which is a universal symbol for settings in most applications. Give it a click to access the settings menu. Now, you're in the settings area where you can tailor your store's operations to fit your needs. Look towards the left side of your screen. You'll notice a list of options. From this list, click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage all sorts of communications between you and your customers, including the emails and messages they receive for various updates. Within the Notifications section, you will find a subsection labeled Customer Notifications. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can customize the messages your customers receive during different stages of their purchase journey. For today's focus, we're interested in accessing the order confirmation notifications specifically. So, in this list of customer notification options, click on Order Confirmation. This will bring up all the details related to how your customers are notified once they place an order with you. Now, you're looking at the section where you can view the order confirmation settings, which includes both email and SMS options. This is incredibly helpful as some customers prefer receiving updates via text, while others are more inclined to check their emails. Ensuring both options are clearly laid out here allows for easy adjustments and helps ensure that your customers receive the order confirmation in their preferred format. And there you have it. Accessing your Shopify order confirmation notifications is quite straightforward. By ensuring that these notifications are properly set and tailored to your store's needs, you take one more step in offering stellar customer service and maintaining smooth communication throughout the purchase process. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time with more tips to streamline your Shopify experience.